Hello friends, Happy New Year and welcome back to my channel, The Indian Mom's Kitchen. Today's recipe is a chicken shawarma spread recipe. This is easily available in the market but it costs a bomb. So let's make this supremely yummy chicken spread at home with very few ingredients. For this I've taken 500 grams of chicken on the bone. You can use 300 grams of boneless chicken too. I feel that the chicken on the bone is more flavorful, so I am cooking this chicken with a little bit of water and salt till the chicken is cooked and the entire mixture is dry. Once the chicken has cooled down, I'm going to shred it roughly. Don't make it too fine. You need to get chunky pieces of chicken in the spread. To this I'm adding 1 teaspoon of freshly powdered black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs, or you can also use Italian herbs. I'm then adding 1 cup of mayonnaise. This is eggless mayonnaise. You can check the recipe for the same on my channel. You can use homemade or store-bought. I'm also adding 2 tablespoons of fresh cream, juice of half a lemon. You can also use a tablespoon of ketchup here. I'm not using that in this, but if you want, you like the flavor of tomato ketchup in your chicken spread, you can use that too. 2 teaspoons of oil, any oil, vegetable oil will do. Mix everything well. Make sure that the mayonnaise is coated well all throughout the chicken. And your chicken shawarma spread is nearly done. Now I'm going to smoke this shawarma spread because ideally shawarma is smoked grilled chicken and I want to have the smoky flavor of the same in my spread. So I've burnt up a piece of coal, added oil over it, and I'm smoking my chicken spread. Here it is, a super yummy chicken shawarma spread ready in just a few minutes. You can refrigerate this and use it over a long period of time. You can spread it over toast or use it on crackers, or you can also use it in rotis and parathas. I hope you've enjoyed the recipe and will give this a definite try.